Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Maylene P. Javier. I am 38 years old. I live in Poblacion 3, Tanawan City, Batangas. I am a vocational graduate of caregiver. I am married. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Their ages are 45, 44, 42, 40, and 33.
Tell me about your working experience as domestic helper.
I work in the Philippine domestic helper year 2018 up to 2022.
How many helpers in the house?
Only 1.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my knowledge as a domestic helper in other country.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, I fix myself. Then, I prepare food for my employer. Then, after that, I clean the house, including windows and walls. I do washing, ironing, and sometimes I wash the car of my employers.
Why do you want work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money and earn to help my family needs and to prove that I can be a good worker in other country.
How can you manage your homesick?
I can manage it by doing myself busy, and I also make some electronic gadget to make contact them.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
I can feed them, watch them, taking care of them, changing dress, diaper, and preparing vitamins, and sterilize the bottles.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
I will check their temperature by using thermometer, and I will call the employer to tell them what will happen to the baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, I have experience to taking elderly. I treat them as my real parents, and I respect them every time I talk to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
I promise I will not break my 2 years contract. I will assure to my employer that I will do my best for my 2 years contract.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes, I can. Lullaby baby, like a dove. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Tell me about your cooking experience.
I have a knowledge in cooking Filipino food, like fried rice, steamed fish. I like noodles, but I also can learn what my employer wants me to cook and to prepare for them.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep after my all duties and responsibilities do the household, and then I check the doors, windows are surely closed.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Ma'am, sir, I am Mylene Javier. Please accept me as your domestic helper. I will assure you that I am hardworking, patient, and honest. God bless.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.